Hello, in this video I will show you how to add AVAX on MetaMask or Avalanche network on MetaMask. So it's a very easy process. All you have to do is just simply go to your browser, then just simply open a website called chainlist.org. Just simply search this right over here. Now, in the search panel first, just simply connect your MetaMask wallet. As you can see, my wallet is already connected. Now, just simply search for Avalanche or AVAX. Then you will be able to see the network right over here. All you have to do is click on Add to MetaMask. Then a pop-up will appear right over here. And in the pop-up, all you have to do is click on Approve. And then click on Switch Network. And that will add AVX to your MetaMask. If you want to check, just simply click on MetaMask. And then right away, you will have this pop-up. Click on Got It. And then go back to the network section. And then you will be able to see your Avalanche right over there. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.